Hi, my name is Vernette Carvin, and I just wanted to share with you this meat substitute, vegan meat substitute that I cooked last night for dinner that had my children, all of them, going back for more. One of my sons, my middle child, is a meat eater, and he had seconds also. So this must be good. It's the field roast. And yes, it is good. I'm not one to cook meat substitutes often. I really don't do that because I try to stay away from anything that's not 100% natural. Now, when I say not 100% natural, I'm meaning, it doesn't come straight from nature. They had to put some type of chemical in it to get it this way. It's made from wheat gluten, but it has pretty good ingredients like lentils. It also contains like butternut squash, mushrooms, Granny Smith apples. It's seasoned with rosemary, thyme, sage, garlic. It really has a nice flavor. And again, there's no soy in it, so you don't have to worry about, consuming soy, which is great. But anyway, this is something that, we really enjoyed, and I just wanted to share that. So if, you're going to have a meat substitute once in a while, look at what my dinner looked like. Check this out. It's easy to cook. It is chewy. It has a great flavor. It cuts like meat. It's great for sandwiches. And what you can do is get a vegan sauce. First, you slice it up, then you bake it, and then you pour the sauce over. You can use a sweet type sauce like a vegan General Tso sauce if you can find one, or you can use something more on the slightly salty side if you prefer it that way. It can go both ways. It can be a sweet sauce, it could be a salty sauce. Or don't make it too salty now. Or try the coconut aminos. They're pretty good. I've tried quite a few. The garlic is good, the teriyaki, and no soy. Well, actually, I didn't use any of those sauces. Last night, I didn't have any pre-made sauce whatsoever in my refrigerator. I actually created my own little recipe, and it turned out pretty good. You can play with any sauce recipe that you know of, but again, the easier thing is to just buy a pre-made vegan type soy-free sauce, and add your spices. You can add your onions, garlic, and so forth. You know what I did as a sauce? I played around with some Annie's vegan ketchup. I added sriracha chili sauce, some coconut milk, a little sea salt, garlic, fresh onions, fresh thyme, sage, chive, fresh ginger, some Italian seasoning powder, turmeric powder, and I added fresh sea moss as a thickener. What I find is really great when you pan fry this meat also. You can fry it lightly whenever you fry. Please don't fry too often. You can use 100% natural grapeseed oil and just fry it lightly, get it a little crispy, and then you could add the sauce too, so you don't even have to bake it. You can just fry the slices again and add your little onion and garlic and so forth, and then add the sauce. Now, for those of you that are transitioning from meat eating and you're vegetarian and so forth, this is a good start. Field roast. This is another sausage that I've tried from the field roast. I've also tried the Frankfurters, and my kids like them. I'm not a hot dog eater, but they like them. And also tried the Chao, cow, whatever cheese is pretty damn good. That's all I've tried so far from field roast. Okay, anything else I try, I'll make sure I'll do a video on it and let you know. Now, if there's anything like the coconut aminos mentioned in this video that you're interested in, just check the description box of this video on YouTube and you'll find links to products mentioned. And I do encourage you to eat healthy most of the times. You can cheat once in a while like I do. Again, I love to eat healthy and prepare healthy meals for my family, and I encourage you to do the same. I know transitioning from eating meats and so forth is hard, but you can do it little by little. We make our own little veggie burgers here, and sometimes I do indulge in a veggie burger that we purchase from a health food store called Martindale's in our area. Now, I'm encouraging you to, make sure you focus on eating healthy Eat mainly 100% natural, fresh fruits and veggies most of the times, but you can cheat once in a while with a little cake here and there. See, I'm showing off my old pictures of some old cakes that I've done. Yes, we do. We have our cakes once in a while. And soursop ice cream made from coconut milk, we do that also, and pretty good stuff. So you can do that, but just make sure you mainly focus on eating a well balanced meal, and you'll be good to go. If this was helpful to you, like, share, comment. Thanks so much for watching.